I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we have 80 seconds to add a phaser effect to your audio clip in Audacity. So let's hop in to Audacity. This is the audio clip we want to add effects to, so I'm just going to select it with the select tool and go up to effect, and we're going to scroll on down to phaser. Now this has a lot of options that I like to tweak from here and there. The most important one to me is dry and wet, which will change the amount of phaser, I suppose, and the stages, which is how many times it flips back and forth between L and R. Let's give it a preview. Now that's what I call an adjustment. For a short clip, it does quite a bit of change. We can turn that up to give it even more of a change and apply. Now let's give it a listen. Now that's what I call an adjustment. That phases so much you can barely tell it's happening. I'd mess around with that as much as you want and find that perfect tune you want.